In 1957, a humble shop in KG Circle, Bengaluru laid the foundation for Kanti Sweets, a brand that has grown into a symbol of heritage, culture and modernity. Today, Kanti Sweets offers a wide range of high-quality products, uniting tradition with innovation under one roof. At Kanti Sweets, we craft beloved traditional favorites like Kaju Katli, Besan Laddu, and an array of Indian mithai, namkeens, bakery and chocolates using only the finest ingredients. Adhering to ISO 22000 and ISO 9001 certifications, each product undergoes stringent quality checks, ensuring consistency and excellence in every bite. We carefully select our raw materials from region-specific vendors, ensuring they come from areas known for their authentic growth and quality. At Kanti Sweets, tradition meets purity in every bite. As sweets and namkeens are crafted with care, using only natural colors extracted from turmeric, beetroot, spinach and saffron. These natural colors contain no harmful chemicals, so every hue is as safe as it is vibrant. We believe great taste should also be wholesome. That's why every product is made with honest ingredients and time-honored methods. We also craft B57 bean to bar chocolates using the same natural colors for a pure, indulgent experience. Whether it's a festive celebration, a family gathering, or a quiet moment of indulgence, Kanti Sweets brings you authentic flavors, rich textures, and colors drawn straight from nature. With every bite, experience the warmth of tradition and the trust we've built over generations. With our commitment to using sulfur-free sugar, we uphold the purity and superior standards that define us. Expanding into the world of baking, Kanti Bakes and Flakes delivers a delightful selection of cakes, cupcakes, croissants, atta biscuits and more. Every step of the process, from milling the flour to baking, happens in-house, ensuring quality and innovation at every turn. Our bakery line offers taste, nutrition and convenience without compromise. To maintain our commitment to quality, Kanti Lab Services Private Limited, accredited by NABL, ensures that every raw material and finished product is rigorously tested through chemical and microbiological analysis. This ensures that our products meet the highest standards of safety and quality. Our B57 bean to bar chocolates embody our commitment to food innovation, where we control the process right from the cocoa bean to the finished chocolate, delivering a premium experience. In addition to our food ventures, in 2024, our deep-rooted passion for fragrance inspired us to launch the Purple Story, our first line of artisanal hand-poured candles. The Luxe line boasts luxurious candles with metal and gold grandeur, while Lumi features elegant tea lights and votives perfect for any occasion. That very immersion in scent set the stage for something more: Garnish. We created Garnish Attars to offer more than just perfume. These attars are skin-gentle, alcohol-free, toxin-free, and designed to harmonize with your body and spirit. As we continue to innovate and grow, Kanti Sweets remains committed to its roots while embracing the future of food and lifestyle. Kanti Sweets, spreading sweetness among people, where tradition meets innovation, and every product is a testament to quality, trust, and excellence.